Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1970 Chevy Pickup C10. Very mean little truck here we have at Skyway Classics, featuring a black exterior with the gray torque thrust rims. As for our interior, as you can see, we have the black painted dash. We have our stock gauges here, and one of the things I'd like to close up on is see the middle gauge there is in fact a tack. Sometimes when you bought these trucks, they were either flat with the GM logo, sometimes they were clocks, but to have the built-in tack really does keep its originality. Sitting right now on the very nice, very comfortable bench seat. As you can tell, it's been updated. As for that, your headliner is the nice little wood grain here. You don't have to worry about the fabric hanging down on you. As for the engine, you have a 350 small block. Nothing too powerful, your basic Chevy engine. But one of the nicest parts about this truck is that it comes with the factory AC. That is correct, not the vintage air. So you never have to worry about, you know, new wiring, people taking things apart. But honestly, it's very nice to have. And also you can see the windows are tinted, so you don't have to worry, since this is a black truck. Everything tends to heat up and get hot. But as for now, we're gonna get it turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see the underneath.